Host in a kitchen with bulk jars, reusable containers, and a compost bin. Hey EcoSmart fam! Today we're diving into zero-waste living, which is all about reducing the amount of trash you send to landfills. It might sound intimidating, but with these 5 simple tips, you'll be reducing waste in no time. Here are 5 beginner-friendly tips to get you started on your zero-waste journey. 1. Use reusable grocery bags and containers. Bring your own bags and containers to the store. Host packing groceries into reusable bags and jars. 2. Switch to a refillable water bottle. No more single-use plastic bottles. Host demonstrating using a stylish reusable water bottle. 3. Compost your food waste. Turn kitchen scraps into compost instead of trash. Host setting up a small compost bin. 4. Buy in bulk. Reduce packaging waste by buying in bulk and storing it in reusable containers. Host shopping at a bulk food store. 5. Avoid single-use plastics. Say no to plastic straws, cutlery, and other single-use items. Host using metal straws and bamboo cutlery. You ready to go zero waste? Let me know which tip you're excited to try in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more zero waste and sustainable living tips every week here on EcoSmart Living.